Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. 2 kilograms of oranges cost £4.50. 3 kilograms of oranges and 3 kilograms of bananas cost £9.15. Work out the cost of 1 kilogram of bananas. Give your answer in pounds. Now, we need to establish first and foremost how much 1 kilogram of oranges is going to cost. So let's use the bus shelter method over here. Let's establish what that is. So what we'll do £4.50 and we'll divide it by 2, and what we should get is 4 divided by 2 is 2, 5 divided by 2 is also 2, not forget the decimal point over there, remainder 1, 10 divided by 2 is 5, so it's £2.25, and this is going to be per kilo of oranges. Okay, so let's write that down. So 1 kilogram of oranges is equal to £2.25. And now what we need is we require 3 kilograms. 3 kilograms of oranges. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to multiply this by 3 of them. We're times this one by 3. Let's see what that gives us. And then we'll have an answer over here. 3 times 5 is 15. Let me change the colour pen. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. 3 times 2 is 6, so 3 kilograms of oranges is equal to £6.75. Okay, right, let's move on then. I'm going to establish over here that let's call bananas, let's call that B. Make my life a little bit easier. So the bananas is equal to B. Right, so 3 kilograms of oranges, well, we know how much that costs. That's going to be £6.75. That'll be £6.75. Add on 3 kilograms of bananas, and I'm going to call that B, and the sum of the costs is going to work out to be £9.15. Now the inverse of add £6.75 is subtract £6.75 on both sides, so therefore we're going to get £9.15, and we have to subtract £6.75 from that. Let's see if we can do that over here. We'll do a takeaway over here. So 5 take away 5 is 0. And then 1 take away 7 that we're going to have to borrow. Let's borrow from over here. And then this becomes an 8. That becomes an 11. 11 take away 7 is 4. And 8 take away 6 is 2, so then we should be left with over here with 3 kilograms of bananas is equal to £2.40. But we want to know what 1 kilogram of bananas is, so let's do another division method over here. Let's do another bus shelter. Let's go back, let's place it over here, where you're going to get £2.40. Let's write it down. £2.40, and this time we're going to divide it by 3, and let's see if we can fulfill that over here. 2 divided by 3, well, we can't do that, so it's going to be 0. There's a decimal point over there. And then you've got a remainder of 2. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 0 divided by 3, which is going to give us 0. And so this is equal to, this is going to be per kilo, and this is going to be for 1 kilo of bananas. So what we're looking for is 1 kilogram of bananas, and that's going to work out to be £0.80. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you've benefited. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.